In this video, we're going to look at a candidate whose qualification, or historic qualification, is due to expire at the end of the year, and is going to go and try and book onto an update workshop, but finds they're unable to do so because they don't meet the prerequisites. In this instance, the candidate is showing a credential that's expired. Their update workshop date has expired, and that's because the system's rules are set so that qualification will now expire 5 years for the local cave and mine leader and 3 years for the CIC award from the date of the last update workshop. So although a historic qualification may actually still be valid, and the qualification is still valid until the date on the certificate has actually expired, a candidate is unable to book onto an update workshop. So to resolve this, you can either contact the BCA training administrator. You can click on the button down the bottom here on the mail-in icon to email our training administrator direct, or if you want, you can add your credential to the system with the updated date and gain validation that way. Again, it'll be checked by the training administrator before that validation is made. So if you click on add credentials, the credential that we're going to add is a local cave and mine leader update workshop. So we need to search for that in the boxes here. And we're going to enter some details. Now, in the start date, we're actually going to take the valid from date on the certificate. So the 17th of the 12th, 2014. And the expiry date is automatically generated. And we need to provide some evidence for this as well. And so we're going to upload a copy of the qualification. If you're running this from a smartphone or a tablet, then it's likely that you'll be able to actually just take a photograph of the qualification. Once that's done, click submit, and that will be sent up to the training administrator for approval, at which point you'll be able to access a course.